Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a quick video on the Glittersweet holiday nail sets for 2020. They were just released. There are two Thanksgiving sets which are on the screen now. Those are already available at the time this video is out. And then today, October 21st, the holiday sets are also out. So the Christmas, the New Year's, I'm going to show them real quickly for you on the screen since I don't have them myself yet. But they didn't give a time that they're releasing them. So normally it's between 10 a.m. Central and 3 p.m. Central. So I'll put a link below. You can check and see if they're posted by the time this video's out. Sometimes the website does go really slow when it's first announced. So if you wait a little bit or do it in the evening, you should have no problems. It's just everyone rushes the system and yeah, it kind of bogs it down. But there are some really awesome ones. I'm definitely getting the gold and black ones for New Year's. They do have some that are a little sheer. The snowflake one is a little bit. And then this next one on the screen is very sheer. And you could put a nail set under it if you wanted, or you could wear it by itself. But the example that they did is Greeking Out. So it's this beautiful blue with the sparkles over it. Very pretty and easy to layer. So if you guys want to order anything, I will put my website below. And if you've never tried Glittersweet and you want to try a sample, I could send you 2 nail strips. It's called a Toozy and a brochure, and it shows you how to apply them. They're super easy to apply, easy to take off, and I absolutely love them. So thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.